Alright, man, so here we are in the wilderness. In the beautiful wilderness. Welcome to Live in the Wild with Clautor. We got out here today some beautiful terrain. A little bit of rock area, a little bit of mosquitoes out here, as you can see around you. Look at this. Be careful. Be very careful. Hopefully we can catch some wildlife out here. Something crazy. You know, let's see what we can do. See what we got. There's definitely a lot of mosquitoes out here. You don't want to be doing this kind of stuff if you don't have bug spray on. Okay. Just keep everything cruising. Have some unwanted stickers in the soles of my feet. I realized that let's go through the wilderness here. Let's see what we got. I'm coming in hot through here. Oh, look at that, we got barbed wire right there. It's a property divider. Thank God it wasn't a landmine. Let's see what we got here. Look at that shit. Spider web, man. Crazy shit out here, folks. Look at this here, it's starting to come open. There's some old steel. Look at this terrain back here. Just love the nature hikes. Going uncharted territory. You know, it's great times. Get out and become one with God's creation. No man put this path here before you. Oh, that's something falling on my shoe. And here we are. On the top of a void here. Just like that. Looks like a game trail we're on here. If I were to set a trap, looks like I'd be on this game trail right here. That's what we're on. Game trail goes down this way. I think I'm gonna stand there longer. Take the uphill here. I'll have the high ground on the I love you. You know. Nature hikes are fun. Look at that, which way do we go? Which way do we go? Do we go to the right? Or do we go to the left? I say left. Just keep these woods going here. Oh, I spotted I'm on another game trail. This game trail just keeps on going down. There must be something living in these woods, folks. Something big. I don't know what it is. Could be something's out there. That's it. I can hear it. It is just me out here. Shh. Quiet. Do you see it? Okay. We got a lot of deadfall in front of us. We are looking for the beast. It's getting pretty thick in here, Harv. Harry. Okay. Let's come on down here. Let's see what we're going to get ourselves into on this game trap. There are spider webs all over hell. Oh, look at this spider web. Let's see what we got. Look at this shit. What the fuck is that, huh? Maybe that's where the monster's at. Maybe. Let's keep going down through here. This deadfall can be easily moved. You can easily go under the deadfall. Easily go under the deadfall. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got much more level ground. Very thick in here though. You don't want your bug spray to wear out in here. As you can see, the ground, it's all wet. Made for much easier walking. Look at this here, we have sun hitting just this one little spot. What does that mean? Maybe the wild beast will chase me through the woods. Searching. And search for the wild beast. There's actually plateaus out here. You see the water? You never know. Moving forward here. We believe that's where the beast drinks from. We are in search for the beast. We have over here a crazy ass flower. I've been zoomed in the way this whole time. I apologize for that. Look at that flower, huh? That's some weird shit. Weird shit. Look at this tree. It looks like it's got fucking arms, man. Fucking arms. Come out there, huh? I'm telling you. It's the nature of the beast, bro. The nature of the beast. The beast is out here. You just gotta look for him. We got burnt wood here. You always gotta watch your step. You don't know what you're walking into. I suggest you watch your step, especially when hunting the beast. The beast. We're just gonna keep this fucker rolling. What do we got in there? Ooh, yeah. Just some fucking shit, huh? Alright. There's some dead wood here. Maybe the beast is gnawing on the wood here. You don't know. You don't know either. I see light. Maybe there's civilization. Beast civilization. Maybe. There's a very nice clearing. Very nice clearing. Very nice. Hope you're enjoying the footage. Beautiful outdoor footage here. Let's go for a walk today. Let's go for a walk. What do we got? Keep on going. Let's keep on trucking. We want to keep this a little more elevated than out. It's like almost like a video game. Looks like we have a woodpecker working over here. We have a woodpecker at work. Look at the lumps on this tree. See the lumps on that tree? Look at that. Look at that. Bizarre lumps on them trees. Once again, we have located a game trail. We are in the thick. I'm picking shit out of my foot at the moment. It looks like we're not going to be able to see the beast today. I'm going to retreat and head back. Be on the alarm. Always be on lookout for the beast. The beast could be there. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know where the beast is. We're in search for the big bad beast. The big bad beast. That's who we're in search with. We're gonna get him. One of these days. We're gonna find him. That's what we're gonna do. We're not coming in on the outskirts of civilization. It is said to be anacondas out in the back. Anacondas. 3 times the size of a man. It is said. We must make it out of the woods. We are going to find them. One way or another. When we come back, everything you see here, the beast will have devoured. The beast will have devoured everything you see. That's right, I'm panting a little bit. I heard noises of the beast. The beast might be behind me. Beast. You can see the trail imprint here. The beast has definitely been here. In any second, we could be chased out of here by a bear or an angry, pissed off animal of some kind. I do not recommend you try this at home. And if you do not go alone. And if you do go alone, make sure you're a trained professional as I. Otherwise, you will be found dead on your own. Okay? So that's my report log. Clotter versus the, we are looking for the wild animal beast of the Clotter. Thank you very much.